Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I wanted to show you what's inside this kit from Threadfollower. It's a really well thought out kit. This one happens to be the Pocket Pup, but I suspect all of them are very similar. I've already cut the label so that I can get inside the box, but the label has good information. It tells you that this particular kit is a level 2 for beginning adults and competent stitchers. It talks about the wool stuffing inside. It's 100% wool, produced in the northeastern U.S. and manufactured in Massachusetts. The boxes are recycled. All right, here we go. So, isn't that pretty when you open it up? This is the wool stuffing for the pup. Very nice. Inside here are instructions, and I've already given the instructions a quick look. They are very nice. So clear, direct, excellent excellent, they're not photographs, but excellent line drawings. Printed front and back so it doesn't use too much paper. Look at that, nice and big, easy to follow. And this is the pattern sheet. Now, if it was me, I would cover this with the peel and stick laminate the way I do when I make my applique templates to make the pattern more rigid. You know, another thing you might want to do is copy this onto cardstock and then cover it with laminate. That would preserve your original pattern and it would give you slightly thicker templates to work with. So I would probably do that. I'm going to put this back in the box. And then this is the thread. This is a floss, a cotton floss in the colors you need. And this is felt. It's not felted wool, it's wool felt, which is perfect for making these animals. And this is fun. Okay, so there's a really nice needle. I think that's an embroidery needle. And I love this. That's the eyes and nose for the puppy. And the collar. And this is the chin and the belly. And the body of the puppy and the tail. So, perfect. Everything is right there. If you were to buy one of these kits, looks like all you need really are scissors and then the laminate if you chose to use that on your templates. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's inside the box. There are lots of kits to choose from and they are all super cute. These would make wonderful little projects to sew on at night, on the road, during the day, at Stitch Group, you name it. They are a beautiful little go with you anywhere project. So, thank you for watching and may you have many happy stitches.